What if I told you that you might be wasting time and money with your conversion rate optimization efforts? Hi, I'm Andy McKenna, and today I'm going to be showing you why aligning your CRO program with your business goals is absolutely critical for success. Now here's the thing, not all CRO programs are created equal. The most successful ones share a common trait. They're tightly aligned with overarching business goals, and that's what we're exploring today. Let's start by looking at some common mistakes companies make with their CRO programs. First of all, obsessing over click-through rates without considering the quality of traffic. Also, celebrating increased form submissions without tracking whether they lead to qualified leads. And also boosting product page views without improving actual sales. Now let's look at a real-world example that demonstrates the importance of aligning CRO with business goals. Moz, a well-known SEO software company, provides an excellent case study. They were focused on increasing their free trial sign-ups, a common CRO goal. However, they realised that this metric alone wasn't aligned with their ultimate business objective, increasing sales. By shifting their focus to improving the quality of leads rather than just the quantity, they saw impressive results. Through various optimizations of their free trial sign-up process, Moz achieved a 52% increase in sales. This example shows the power of aligning CRO efforts with broader business goals. So why does alignment matter so much? Aligning CRO with business goals ensures that your optimization efforts have a meaningful impact on the bottom line, and this helps in three crucial ways. These are facilitating buy-in from stakeholders, enabling more efficient resource allocation, and proving return on investment. Let's break these down. When you can show how CRO directly impacts business KPIs, executives are more likely to support and invest in your program. It's the difference between saying, "We increased click-through rates by 10%, and our CRO efforts directly contributed to a 5% increase in quarterly revenue. By focusing on tests that move the needle on important business metrics, you avoid wasting resources on inconsequential optimizations. And finally, it becomes much easier to demonstrate the value of your CRO program when its outcomes directly tie to business results. This makes securing budget and resources for future optimization much easier. Now we understand why alignment matters, let's look at the specific benefits it brings. It enables more targeted and effective optimization efforts, it improves the decision-making process, and it allows for better integration with other business initiatives. Let's look at a real example that illustrates these benefits. ASOS, a major online fashion retailer, provides an excellent case study. Instead of focusing on general site-wide metrics, they aligned their CRO efforts with a specific business goal, increasing orders on their mobile website. By optimizing their mobile checkout process, ASOS saw a 13% increase in orders on their mobile website. This targeted approach not only improved a key business metric, but also enhanced the user experience for their mobile customers. This example demonstrates how aligning CRO efforts with specific business goals can lead to significant improvements in key metrics. But how do you actually achieve this alignment? Let's break it down. Firstly, start with clear business objectives. Second, identify KPIs that directly impact these objectives. Third, design experiments that influence the chosen KPIs. And fourth, regularly review and adjust the alignment of all of these factors. Let's say your business objective is to increase annual recurring revenue by 20% this fiscal year. Your KPIs might include customer lifetime value, activation rate for free trial users, and upsell rate for existing customers. Then you design experiments that influence these KPIs. For example, to improve activation rate, you might test simplified onboarding processes, personalized welcome emails, or in-app tutorials for key features. Remember, business goals can shift, so it's crucial to schedule regular reviews of your CRO efforts to ensure ongoing alignment. Let's look at another success story. Spotify provides an excellent example of aligning CRO efforts with business goals. Spotify's growth team focused on a crucial business objective, increasing the number of free users who convert to premium subscribers. They conducted extensive experimentation on various aspects of the user journey from free to premium. By optimizing their messaging, user flows and conversion funnel, Spotify achieved a remarkable 24% improvement in trial to paid conversion rates over a 2-year period. Now let's consider a hypothetical cautionary tale to illustrate what can happen when CRO efforts aren't aligned with business goals. Imagine an e-commerce platform that spent 6 months optimizing their homepage, achieving a 5% increase in click-throughs to product pages. Sounds good, right? But they neglected their checkout process, which had a high abandonment rate. When they finally addressed this, aligning with the business goal of increasing completed purchases, they hypothetically could see a much more significant increase in overall conversion rate within just 2 months. While this last example is hypothetical, it illustrates the potential pitfalls of misaligned CRO efforts. The real-world cases we've discussed show the stark difference between aligned and misaligned CRO efforts. Here are 3 common challenges and how to overcome them. First of all, breaking down silos between departments. This could be rectified by organising cross-functional workshops, for example. Secondly, educating stakeholders on the value of CRO. Solution to this could be developing a simple dashboard showing CRO impact on key business metrics. And finally, developing a data-driven culture. This could be solved by implementing regular data storytelling sessions. Now let's recap the key points. First of all, CRO must align with your business goals for true success. Secondly, alignment gives you the best chance of achieving meaningful impact, stakeholder buy-in, and efficient resource use. Thirdly, follow a structured process to achieve and maintain alignment. And finally, review your CRO program regularly and adjust your business objectives as appropriate. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to evaluate your current CRO program. Are your efforts aligned with your company's key business goals? If not, use the strategies we've discussed today to realign your approach. Remember, the potential rewards in terms of improved performance, resource efficiency, and business impact are too significant to ignore. The case studies we've discussed today are just a few examples of successful CRO alignment. Always do your own research and apply these principles in a way that makes sense for your specific business context. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on optimizing your digital strategies. And I'd love to hear about your experience with CRO alignment in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to your CRO success.